Narcissists sometimes use tricks to confuse people. Let's meet Alex and Jordan to see one of the biggest red flags: gaslighting. Alex remembers Jordan promised to save him a seat at lunch. But when Alex brings it up, Jordan denies it completely. Alex starts to question his own memory. This is exactly what the manipulator wants. Jordan smirks, making Alex feel like he's the problem. This is called gaslighting, making someone doubt their memory or feelings. But Alex remembers, he's not crazy. His memory is real. Lesson learned: trust your memory and feelings. If someone twists your words, that's a red flag.